There's something fishy about this Esther, and nobody wants to talk about it. Because in the Gospel of Matthew, Jesus said 3 days and 3 nights. That was not poetic, that was not symbolic, he was specific. It's Good Friday to Easter Sunday. That's not 3 full days. That's 1 full day and 1 full night with fragments. So what are we doing here? Why are we stretching time or shrinking the truth? According to the Bible, Leviticus 23:32, the Bible says that an evening to an evening is a 24-hour. So he just actually met what he said. Then either the timeline is off, interpretation was forced, or tradition quietly overruled the text. So which is it? My honest question is, did Jesus actually rise up on the 3rd day, or he actually rose up after the 3rd day or the 3rd night? So which is it? Because they are not the same. If you cannot actually spot the difference, then what have you actually accepted without questioning? Think.